Hello everyone, my name is Nissim Tamang and I am currently pursuing cybersecurity from ISOEH. And after completion of my plus 2, I was wondering around what should I do, what career should I use. And after some research, I found that ISOEH is the best place for cybersecurity, the career booster. And why cybersecurity is because I'm a computer geek. I like programming, coding, also finding new bugs. And I myself am a bug bounty hunter. So I chose cybersecurity as my career path. And ISOEH, it's the best place because they provide premium labs to the students, good mentors, professional mentors I'd say, and also the theory classes, practical classes, they provide it in an excellent way. And also I would suggest my upcoming anyone who would like to join ISOEH for cybersecurity career boost up. I would suggest them to join ISOEH. Also, after completion of my CEH exam, I'm quite boosted up, and my resume, it has got a certification of global certification of ethical hacking. So I'm quite proud of it. And also, I'd like to suggest everyone who would watch this video to join ISOEH for the cybersecurity career boost. Thank you.